Hi, this is Derek Davidson. Welcome to my course Introducing Scrum. I'm a professional Scrum trainer accredited by Scrum.org, the organisation founded by Ken Schwaber, the co-creator of Scrum. Did you know that many people using Scrum today refer to an event called the Daily Stand-Up, but that Scrum actually has no such event? Were you aware that many implementations of Scrum today are incomplete, meaning that the full benefits of Scrum are not being realised? In this course, we're going to cover some of the largest influences on Scrum and agility. We'll gain a firm foundation for both beginner and advanced knowledge of Scrum. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the Agile manifesto and its principles, the pillars of empiricism, an outline of Scrum, an understanding of when the use of Scrum is appropriate, the connections between empiricism, complexity, and Scrum, and finally the Scrum values. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the outline of Scrum, you'll have gained a deeper understanding of the why of Scrum. You'll have an appreciation of Scrum and also where it can be used most effectively. There are no prerequisites for this course, just bring yourself, your mind, and maybe a notepad. This is the first in a series of 6 courses in the Introduction to Professional Scrum learning path. This learning path, when completed, fully prepares for the higher level courses for Scrum Master and Product Owner. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Scrum with the Introduction to Scrum course at Pluralsight.